Hello everyone, I'm Rashi Goyal and I'm pursuing BLLB from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies Dehradun. And currently I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company for the month of June. So in today's video, I'll be discussing about how ITTS technology helps in visually impaired voters. Section 11 of the Right of the Person with Disability Act 2016 states that the Election Commission of India and the State Election Commission shall ensure that all the polling stations are accessible to persons with disabilities and all materials related to the electoral process are easily understandable and accessible to them. The Right of the Person with Disabilities Act 2016 was made to give effect to the United Nations Conventions on Right of the Persons with Disabilities and for matters connected therewith. The Convention on the Right of the Person with Disability is an international human rights treaty of United Nations which is intended to ensure full and effective participation and inclusion of persons with disabilities in our society. According to the Strategic Framework on Accessible Election adopted on 4th July 2018 in the National Consultation on Accessible Election, the Election Commission of India is committed to the building an equal access framework for persons with disabilities, supported by the fundamentals of responsiveness, respect, and dignity to enhance the electors' confidence among them and support initiatives for improved services offering to enhance their electoral participation. The Election Commission recognizes the use of accessible technologies for facilitating people with disabilities of different categories to cast their votes. Article 15 of the Indian Constitution also prohibits discrimination by state against any citizens, including disabled, on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. As per 2011 census in India, there are about 2.68 crore disabled people, out of which 50 lakh people are having disability in seeing. Voters with disabilities in seeing are still able to cast vote at an election with the assistance of companion. An assisted vote, although not a secret and independent vote, still allows voters with disabilities in seeing to participate in the electoral process. However, in the present system of voting through electronic voting machines, there is no way of knowing if the assisting person has indeed cast his or her vote for the candidate picked by the said voter. For the convenience of the voter with disabilities in seeing, there is a barrel signage on balloting unit of electronic voting machine. It is a kind of writing system used by people who are visually impaired. So it is on the right side of the balloting unit out along with candidates vote buttons. Digits 1 to 6 are embossed in the barrel signage for the guidance of the voters with disability in seeing. However, a voter with disability in seeing can press a button but cannot ascertain the actual voting. The voter is not sure whether his or her vote is recorded or not. If recorded, whether it is recorded in the favor of the candidate he intended or not. Moreover, not every visually impaired person understands barrel. Voter Verificable Paper Audit Trail, that is VVPAT, is an independent system attached with electronic voting machine that allows the voters to verify that their votes are cast as intended. However, there is no such facility by which the voters with disability in seeing can verify and confirm their voting. There is a need to provide a system by which voters with disability in seeing can get immediate audio verification of their cast vote. Now let's talk about the image text to speech conversion device, that is IITS technology. So the basic idea of proposed independent real-time system is to capture the image of paper slip which is generated by the printer in voter verifiable paper audit trail, extract the text from it and convert the text into speech that can be listened through the headphones. The IITS device consists of four main components. First is camera, second is programmable system, that is optical character recognition software and text to speech engine. Third is headphone, and last batteries. However, the optical character recognition software cannot recognize and convert the image of the symbol of the candidate which is printed on the paper slip in VVPAT into text. Hence, the name of the symbol needs to be loaded in the VVPAT machine along with the serial number, name of the candidate and the image of the symbol. The IITS device shall be fixed inside the voter verifiable paper audit trail machine in such a way that the camera remains pointed towards the area where slip generated by the printer in voter verifiable paper audit trail is displayed for 7 seconds. Externally, it requires a set of headphones with volume control in them. Upon the entering the booth, the voter puts on the headphones. When a voter is cast, the slip is printed in the voter verifiable paper audit trail containing the serial number, name of the candidate and the image and the name of the symbol of the candidate and remain exposed through a transparent window for 7 seconds. The IITS device captures the image of the slip using the camera. The extraction of the text image is done using optical character recognition software and the process of converting text to speech is done by a text to speech engine. The audio output then listens through the headphones. It states the serial number, name of the candidate and the name of the symbol of the candidate. The voter listening at the headphones can instantly verify that his or her vote is cast as intended or not. Thereafter, image, text and audio files created in IITS device during this process get eliminated automatically, creating fresh space for new files. The proposed system is independent and not vulnerable to manipulation. The manufacturers of electronic voting machines, that is Bharat Electronics Limited and Electronics Corporation of India Limited, are capable of making inexpensive but efficient image to text to speech conversion, that is IITS devices using current technologies. Voting is an act of expression which has immense importance in a democratic system. The confidence of the voters with disability in seeing in the electronic voting machines can be achieved only if they are given with the facility to verify and confirm their voting. It is the voters themselves who must consider their voting experience to be a success. To have confidence in the outcome of an election, they must believe that they successfully use the voting system. Without this belief, the outcome of the election may be questioned. Therefore, in order to help voters with disabilities in seeing to verify their cast votes, the Election Commission of India should make modification in the electronic voting machines so as to attach the image text to speech conversion device IITS device to voter verifiable paper audit trail. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you did, Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to let me know your feedback in the comment section. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.